Warning: please read the warnings we make in the More Information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. This will whiten your teeth fast, without having to go to the dentist or damage your teeth. Spotted teeth are often a fairly common problem in most people. In fact, they can strongly influence your personality or your self-esteem, as you would not feel very safe when smiling for shame to show relatively yellowish or stained teeth. It is believed that yellowing teeth can be caused by lack of oral hygiene. However, although in certain cases that may be the cause, there are other more relevant factors that can cause the teeth to stain or become yellow. Not everyone knows these factors, is the reason why they always believe it is because of lack of hygiene or bad brushing. Among the factors that can cause yellow or stained teeth we can mention the following: drinking coffee very often, bad habit of smoking or chewing tobacco, drinking red wine, drinking too much tea, dental inheritance, or certain eating habits. It is advisable to visit the dentist at least 2 times a year so that you can do a mouth cleaning, as these spots are not usually removed by simple brushing and may worsen to form tartar or bad breath. If you do not have much money to do a cleaning in a dentist, because in this video we want to reveal a trick so you can do it at home. Best of all is that you only need banana peel to do it, and it is completely natural. This fruit contains within its properties salicylic acid, which fights tartar and eliminates the stains of the teeth, as it acts as a natural bleach and strengthens the teeth. The correct way to do this is to remove the peel from the fruit and then with the inner part rub it directly into the teeth. Do it for 5 minutes, then let it act for 5 minutes more and remove with the usual brushing of every day. It is advisable to do it 3 times a day before brushing for a month. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give. Yeah.